Satya Skills. In this video, let us learn something about segment reporting. Segment reporting is a financial report of a company given in details under different segments. Segment reporting breaks down the activities and operations of a company into different segments. Every company records the operation performance under each operating segment. Now, the same is to be reported segment wise to make the financial reporting more transparent to target groups such as creditors, shareholders, etc. A segment is a component of a business that generates its own revenue and creates its own product lines, series of services, etc. Thus, a segment can be an independent unit of a company. Business segment reporting breaks out the company's financial data by company divisions and any other kind of segments such as subsidiaries, etc. One best example, suppose there is a railway company or a transport company. It may have transportation, main business, catering, food servicing, tourism, hotel and hospital management services, etc. So, these all are different segments of the main unit. Now, reporting under these segments is called segment reporting. Then let us look into the features. Corporate segment reporting can cover business segment and geographical segments. Business segment can be made on the basis of product or services. Business segments are usual business that are exposed to risk and prosperity, loss and profits, expenditure, income, etc. Business segment is distinguishable component of business enterprise. That's a very important feature. And then geographical segments are units operating in different areas but under the management and control of the main unit. A segment which is required to be disclosed by AS 17 is known as reportable segment. All the operating assets employed by the segment are called segment assets and the liabilities resulted from operation performance are called segment liabilities. The Financial Accounting Standards Board sets account standards for business segment reporting. FASB accounting standards codification requires that all segments of the company's business align with the company's reporting structure. And then the company does not need to report all its business segments. There are certain restrictions, maybe the turnover, assets, etc. For example, according to US generally accepted accounting principles, public companies must report a segment if it accounts for 10% of revenue, 10% of profits and 10% of total assets of the main unit. That is their requirement. Then what is the importance of segment reporting? Segment reporting gives complete picture of the company's operations and performance in a very clear way. It guides the management in decision making. It gives all relevant information about different units and their operations. In annual financial segment reporting, it provides more clear and accurate picture of the performance of the company. Investors and creditors can have a better picture of the company's performance. Management uses business segment reporting to evaluate the income, expenditure, assets and liabilities of each business division to assess the company's financial status. One can assess the possible progress and losses by studying the segment report and moreover it gives a very clear idea, clear guidance to the top management. Which is the weaker part, which is the prospering part. These things can be achieved, gained through this reporting. Accounting Standards 17 issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India has made it mandatory to disclose segment information in respect of accounting periods commencing on or after 141 for the following enterprises. Enterprise whose equity or debt securities are listed on a recognized stock exchange of India and enterprises that are in the process of issuing equity or debt securities that will be or that are going to be listed on a recognized stock exchange in India, and these should be evidenced by the resolution passed by the board of directors of that particular company. All other commercial, industrial, business enterprises whose turnover for an accounting year exceeds 50 crores need to give segment report. That's all in